Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial I will show you how to send few ones voice notes on WhatsApp new updates. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best you can use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to send listening one's voice notes on WhatsApp new update. Okay, so what we need to do is to open up our WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open my WhatsApp. Then I'm going to select a contact. So this contact here, I'm going to send a once few voice notes to this contact. Then having opened up the contact, what you need to do is to simply swipe your mic to the top like this to have the option like this. Just and the message is gone. So you can see the message has been successfully entered my phone. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply read the message. I'm going to click on here. So if you are going to have something like this, so I will simply click on that. Then listen. Swipe like this, then you have the option. So you can start recording the voice notes as long as possible. Okay, when you are done recording your voice note, what you need to do is to simply tap on here. Boom. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this send icon right here. So you are done. It's as simple as that. So by the time I come back here, you cannot open this audio again. So this method can also be used to send video and picture to your contact on WhatsApp. And you cannot make a screenshot from this particular type of screenshot for this particular type of audio or picture or video. So basically, this is how to send once filled voice note on WhatsApp new update. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about WhatsApp security. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.